Hello and welcome to UnruffledBaking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe.
Today we are making caramel sauce. You will need 125 milliliters of single oat cream, 60 grams of dairy-free margarine, 165 grams of golden caster sugar, a thick-bottomed saucepan. Place all of the ingredients in the saucepan. On a low heat, melt the margarine and dissolve the sugar. Keep stirring the mixture. Then turn the heat up to medium. When the caramel starts to boil, cook for 3 minutes and keep stirring. This caramel sauce tastes yummy on baked apples or roly-poly pudding. After 3 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow to cool for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can pour the caramel sauce out of the saucepan into a bowl or container and leave it to cool completely. And now you have made caramel sauce.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.